Greetings, sewing gods, and may the thread be ever in your colour. So, today we have a bit of a weird one, a bit of a query. I'm not really sure what to do. So, I have this pair of jeans I absolutely love. I think that when I wear them with this design, they go with everything. They make everything look better. I can actually wear a plain t-shirt and then wear these, and it all looks fantastic. But for the last while, I had changed size and I wasn't able to wear them, and now I am back in the size and I really want to wear them again. But when I had changed size, I had gone and drawn on them in chalk marker and decided that I was going to chop them up and make them into a backpack. And I'm not really sure what to do anymore. I don't know whether I should keep going with the backpack idea or just embrace the fact that I have changed size back again to be able to wear them. So, if I go for the backpack, my plan was take the waistband off, cut down the center line, and cut down the inseam, and go until this point here and use that square as the front of my bag while also keeping on this square here and using that as bottom. Doing the exact same on the other side and having that as my other half. Put them two sides together and sewing one side over the other side, having that be an overlap so it is actually stronger at the bottom. Then taking the remaining pant leg and using them as the two sides, and then taking the fantastic design on the front and turning that into one half, two halves of the front flap to go over the top of it. And then have the waistband and any other bias type band that I can make from it, or maybe even the inseam, depending on how strong it is, as loops. Any excess fabric I don't use, because probably one pant leg will be enough to do the two sides, and then the other pant leg I can use as the straps. And then finally, because it's probably going to be so small at the top, I could even use the zipper here, use the actual fly, or the button. I could use that as the actual closure for the bag. But I'm not sure if I should or not, because now I can wear them again, and I really, really like them. So that is my problem. That is my dilemma. I leave it up to you, sewing gods. And may the thread be ever in your colour.